Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter, coming to you with my continued countdown of my personal favorites, Love Notions patterns. Today we're going to do number 4 and number 3. And all this week, I am counting down my personal favorite Love Notions patterns. On Friday, I will reveal my number 2 and my number 1 most favored Love Notions pattern of all time. Coming up at number 4 is the Summer Basics. I love this one, especially as a maxi. It is a wonderful dress pattern. It also, though, is a great tank pattern, and I've made these in simple white or off-white to wear underneath, for instance, to wear underneath a Rhapsody or to wear under a jacket. They are really nice. It's a very well-fitting tee. So this is your basic that you want to have in your wardrobe. This is a must-have as far as I'm concerned. And it's my 4th most favored Love Notions pattern. And you know, I love them all. So if I've featured it here, that means I really love it. So definitely one that you should buy if you don't already have. And if you have it, you need to make it. So coming up at number 3 is the Classic Tee. Not only is this a great pattern, but it is also one of the cheapest patterns that they have on the site, being the regular price being only $5. So I've made classic tees in a lot of versions. I've made them and used them to put sayings, cricket things on it. I've used them and done sublimation, all kinds of things. I've used them just for basic tops to wear with slacks. It's really nice in a print as well as a solid, just another must-have. Probably, even though it's not my number 1, it's probably my most made pattern of Love Notions patterns. It comes extra small to 5X. That's a semi-relaxed fit, not super tight, but it does kind of take the body curve just a little bit, just enough without clinging. Has 3 necklines, crew, scoop, or V-neck. I will say the scoop neck is a bit low for me, maybe not for you, so I do raise the scoop neck up just a tiny bit. I don't really like a crew, but I don't really like a super low scoop either. So if you want to tip and you're kind of a modest person, I would say raise up the scoop and you'll have a perfect t-shirt. There are 4 sleeve lengths: short, elbow, 3/4, and long. And there's also a full bust piece included in this pattern, so it fits basically everyone. And it is just a must have. So I hope that you enjoy making these makes. Let me know in the comments which ones are your personal favorites. And maybe some people watching may really enjoy seeing a wider look at what our favorites are. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Remember that you can get an additional 10% off by using the code COVERSTITCH, all capitals. That will give you an extra 10% off even the sale. I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing.